If you listen, you will learn. Every word, it's your turn. If you sing and smile today, English will come your way. If you study every day, you will grow in every way. If you read and never stop, you will reach the mountaintop. If you study, you will know. Step by step, your skills will grow. If you try, you will find English power in your mind. If you help and show you care, you will make friends everywhere. If you dream and work with heart, you will finish what you start. If you practice, you will win. Let the learning song begin. If you try, you will see how great your English can be. If it rains, you'll take your coat. If you're tired, don't lose hope. If you fall,